All right, chefs, the much awaited time to make our bao buns has arrived. One small step before we get to that, find the parchment paper in your box. We're gonna use a little piece to cut 6 little squares or rectangles. We sent you a lot, so you can go ahead and just like use one small portion of it. So I have it folded in half. I'm just using a quarter of the half here. I will have 8 pieces, I only need 6. Set it aside. Next thing is we are going to get those fluffy, warm, like cloudy little balls of dough and roll them into 4 to 5 inch discs, okay? Mine are so fluffy I can just use my thumbs. I just start from the middle and press it, roll it and press it, okay? Important tip here, I just learned this as I was preparing for this class. If you press the edges into a little bit thinner edges, it will make it easier on the pleating. Just I'm gonna show you with this. You could just also put it here and go straight into the rolling pin. You wanna roll this to about 4 to 5 inches, okay? Diameter. Now, we just put that on our palm. Leave this thumb free because we're gonna use that. And we're gonna put about a tablespoon right in the middle there. So what you have of the filling you have, you're gonna divide into 6 buns. So if you wanna divide that up front and know how much filling to use, go ahead. Don't skimp on the filling because these are gonna puff up and you want a nice amount of filling inside. Once you have that there, you can use this thumb to press down here. Just pinch and press, and you're gonna start closing the stop. Important note here, you see I did all my pleats here and it's still open, but we don't want that. We want this to close as a purse. So now what I do is I gather all of this and I give it a little twist. Look at that, baby. Beautiful. Okay, like make sure all the pleats are gathered here, pinched and twisted. Get one little piece of your parchment, put it there. Now we're gonna use our hands to just kind of bring them together because otherwise when they grow, they spread and we're gonna compact them and kind of bring them up. So for my kitchen with very young chefs, maybe the adult chef is doing the closing and the young chef is doing this part, okay? There we go. Look how pretty it is. I'm gonna put that away. I said before, when you're making this at home for the second, third time, you might not have the filling we sent you. You can use all kinds of other fillings, including ground pork, a leftover of a roast, different kinds of meats, different kind of vegetables. You can be creative here. I have to admit, I haven't made bao too many times and it's actually easier than I thought. Okay, remember that? You're going to press to the side so it puffs up that way. Beautiful. It's on your parchment paper and you put it on the tray. And we're gonna go down all 6 balls of dough and then we're gonna be ready for the steaming.